In an early morning surprise, federal police searched the home of former President Jair Bolsonaro. He's being investigated for allegedly falsifying his COVID-19 vaccination records. Police seized Bolsonaro's phone during the raid on his home. Federal agents also detained 6 people close to the former president for questioning. They are accused of forging vaccination cards supposedly to meet international requirements for travelers. Bolsonaro denies the allegations against him.
I have nothing to hide, not only about the vaccination card, but anything. It would be good if we had a democratic country where we could discuss all subjects. There are subjects that are forbidden to talk about in Brazil, and one of them is about the vaccine.
Bolsonaro has already been accused while he was president of downplaying the pandemic and of delaying the immunization campaign in a country with the world's second largest COVID-19 death toll after the United States. When Brazil finally began importing vaccines, the president cast doubts on their efficiency and said he would not be vaccinated.
I didn't take the vaccine. It was a personal decision after reading the Pfizer pamphlet. My daughter, who is 12 years old, has also not taken the vaccine, as she has a medical report. So I'm really surprised with this search and seizure.
But investigators say data on Brazil's healthcare system was altered, showing Bolsonaro had been vaccinated when he had not. Last December, shortly before the end of his term, Bolsonaro left Brazil for the United States. He returned 3 months later. Since then, he has been the target of several investigations. The federal police already questioned Jair Bolsonaro twice last month. The first time on alleged irregularities, bringing back 3 sets of expensive jewelry given to Bolsonaro by the Saudi Arabian government while he was still president. The second time on his alleged role in instigating the January 8th riots. On January 8th, Bolsonaro supporters ransacked the presidential palace, the Supreme Court, and Congress. Hundreds of rioters called on the military to oust President Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva, who had taken office a week before. Bolsonaro says that he condemned the uprising and had nothing to do with it. But the former president is also being investigated for spreading misinformation and for repeatedly making unfounded claims that Brazil's voting system could be easily rigged. Monica Yanakiev, Al Jazeera, Rio de Janeiro.